Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the environment. Ensure your device has power and disconnect non-essential USB drives. Once ready, boot into the Windows recovery environment using Shift plus Restart or boot from a Windows 10/11 USB installer. This gives you the tools needed. Make sure to choose Repair Your Computer instead of Install. You will see Troubleshoot and Advanced options. That's where the automated startup repair lives. Follow these first steps so the repair tools can inspect system files and boot configuration. You now run the automated startup repair and watch it analyze boot errors. This fixes corrupted boot files often. If it cannot repair automatically, open command prompt and run chkdsk/f/r on the system drive, then run bootrec/fixmber/fixboot and /rebuild to rebuild boot records. Once done, reboot to test. If boot still fails but drives are healthy, use System Restore or Boot to Safe Mode to uninstall recent drivers or updates that caused the failure. You finish by rebooting normally and confirming Windows starts cleanly. Test a couple of cold boots and resume from sleep to be sure. If problems persist, choose Reset this PC keeping personal files or perform a clean install as a last resort, because corrupted system images sometimes require reinstallation. Make sure to back up user data before destructive steps. If repair tools fail repeatedly, check hardware like SSD health or RAM. Faulty components can mimic startup corruption, so replace failing parts if
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.